Hi! In this video I want to introduce a new series that I'm putting together that follows the projects that are in the App Development with Swift book. This book and course is available from Apple, and you can find it under the Everyone Can Code project on their website. Let's go to the website. If you search for Everyone Can Code, you'll find this page. And here you'll scroll through and you can see their mission statement, what they're trying to do. And essentially they have given courses that teach everyone of all ages how to write apps. There are courses for elementary school, junior high, high school, and college. And the Intro to App Development with Swift is a great introduction. I have created videos that follow every chapter in this book, so feel free to check out that playlist. The App Development with Swift is a little more involved, and it deals with more complicated subjects, but I think anyone can learn it. If you enjoyed the Intro to App Development, then you'll do fine with App Development with Swift. So when you download the book, then it's added to your iBooks library, and you can go ahead and open the book. And if you take a look at the table of contents, what I want to do, instead of going through every chapter, because a lot of these are very similar to the intro series that I did, I would encourage you to go through that series first if you haven't yet. And then what I'm going to do is focus on the projects. And the projects that are here are, we have something, this one's called Light, we have another one called Apple Pie, and we have a personality quiz. And then there's a new one, and I realized when I did my little update video the other day, this is a new version of this course which has the augmented reality. So I'm definitely going to do that. I will probably go through the entire augmented reality chapter because this is very new, and I think it's really exciting. So we're going to do that entire. So definitely going to do all these videos on all of these. And then we'll do another project on list and another project on working with web data called restaurant. So I hope you'll join me. Be sure to like and subscribe and be on the lookout for new videos. There you go. Thank you.